Place a few clothespins on your scissors and you'll be surprised by the result. When you find out why, you'll surely thank me forever. Here I have these scissors that I use quite a bit, and over time, they no longer cut like they used to. They're dull and have completely lost their cutting edge. And to test it out, I'm going to use this plastic bag. This is the best way to test the cutting edge. I'll try to cut the folded bag and look. As you can see, even with force, it doesn't cut anymore. It just chews, and that's not cutting. Especially if you're a seamstress or use scissors a lot in your daily life. And when it gets like this, people usually throw the scissors away to buy a new one. But you don't need to do that. I'll show you that using just a clothespin, we can solve this problem. Do you have clothespins at your house? Then pay attention because it'll be quite useful. For this, grab a clothespin like this one, and we're also going to need some sandpaper. The one I'm using is 150 grit. What you need to do is position the clothespin on top of the sandpaper, so we can cut a piece, about this size. Now just cut it in half to have 2 equal pieces. Once that's done, now let's use some super glue. Apply a bit of glue on the inner part of the clothespin. Then simply position the sandpaper on the clothespin, exactly as I'm doing. Hold it for a few seconds to set firmly. And do the same thing on the outer part of the clothespin. And it'll look like this. Now just repeat the same process on the other side. And here it is. And I imagine you're curious, wondering what this is for. What we've just made is a wonderful homemade sharpener for all types of blades. That's right. Just grab the scissors and open them like this, as we're going to sharpen them from end to end. Place it in the middle of the sandpaper and then pull. Do this movement a few times on both sides. This part of the clothespin has the same angle as the blade, so just repeat the process. Here I did it a few times, and it's already done. The scissors are surely sharpened and with the proper edge. And to test it out, I'll use the same folded bag and see the result. And look at the difference. Without applying force or pressure, the scissors already cut the bag easily, or anything else that needs cutting. Pretty cool, isn't it? Using just a clothespin, we made an excellent homemade sharpener. Now that you've learned this, never throw away dull scissors again. Just try this hack and save your money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.